Hi guys, it's Luke from Team AnyPond, and today we're showing you how to build a 2-metre stream waterfall so your garden can go from this to this. Stay tuned. To begin with, you'll need a pond pump, underlay liner and overlay, rocks and stones, big ones, a pipe to run the water up, and then any extra decoration you choose, such as plants and flowers. And the links to all of these products can be found in the description. Now, as you may see, there is a pre-formed pond. This is not what we would typically use, but this was what the owner had upon arrival. So to begin with, we cleared the area for the stream, and this was done by digging and removing stones and debris, so we had nice soil to begin. We then build shelves into the dirt to allow the stream to flow downwards naturally. Next comes the underlay and the liner, and this allows the water to flow down and to not spill into the dirt. Side note, this is one of the client's tortoises, which is huge! We then add the rocks. This diverts the flow of water and holds the lining in place. And this is where you can get creative. You choose how the rocks are positioned to create the stream and the flow of the water. While the work here is time consuming, it's important to get it right. This is where you can add black foam sealant to the rocks to create a better flow of water and a waterproof seal. And I will pass the video over now to other Luke, who can tell you about the progress after day 1.
Hi guys, so just at the end of day 1 here, so spin you around. As you can see, made some good progress on the stream. Majority of stones are now set in place. We've put a little wing wall in there, and we will tomorrow put a second one slightly higher just to make it look a bit more natural, like it's supposed to be there. But yeah, got some nice plants in, some ferns at the top there and down the side. But yeah, it's looking good. So we'll be back tomorrow just to finish it off. Obviously get some gravel in the stream, get the water running, which we can't do at the moment because the pump that's currently in the pond isn't powerful enough, so we'll have to swap them around tomorrow. But yeah, it's looking good. Good morning guys, we're back here today to finish off the stream that we started yesterday. As you can see, it's coming along quite nicely. Kenny's just plumbing in the new pump so that we can get the water running straight away. Obviously it gives us a better idea of how the water's going to flow, and then we can continue with the edging, knowing where the water height is going to be. We've brought a few more stones with us, so we're going to put a few more landscaping stones in and around just to naturalise it. But yeah, looking good so far. Stay tuned, see how we get on today.
So day 2 on the 2-metre stream build, and this is our final day, and the day where we switch on the pump and test the water. But before we switch on the pump and allow the water to flow, we perfect the stream itself. So we cover up gaps and edges and plant flowers and moss to really add that extra detail and elegance to the stream. Here, the boys are turning on the water, and as you can see, the water flows down perfectly. After seeing this initial course, they will change it as necessary to improve water flow by making sure rocks are positioned perfectly. Side note, look how big this tortoise is, really! I hope he enjoys his new stream. Now if you're liking this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, as it really helps us out here. And now, the stream is essentially done, and you can add extra items around the sides and edges to your heart's content.